Hi guys, good morning. I am on my way to Benauli Beach very early on a Sunday morning because the Young Women's Christian Association of Goa has organized its annual Benaulim Beach Walk, which is to promote good health practices. Walking helps us control blood sugar and cholesterol, and of course, is a perfect exercise for weight loss. So, a whole lot of us are going to gather at Benaulim Beach and walk 5 kilometers. See you all there. Early morning when the roads are free of traffic is a great time for your daily walk. It also energizes you for the day ahead. It's 6 a.m., but the YWCA folks have been here a while at Benaulim Beach setting everything up. Here are props for photo ops. What lovely decoration they have done. A fishing basket, so appropriate for Benaulim. Wow, lots of prizes to be won today. Though I'm told they are not for walking fast or anything but for other things. Interesting. And here's Dr. Deepa.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I can't hear you. Very good morning to everybody. Our registration counter is open. I request all of you, here is on my right. So we have our volunteers in place. Can I ask all of you who are here bright and early to please register your names? So do write your name. We have some prizes for those who register early, those who have a lucky number perhaps. So please register your names. We are ready to go. We look to be on time. So I'd ask all of you who are already present here. We have a lot of sponsors who have made this event possible. We thank all of them. We have Victor Hospital who has supported us with their ambulance. Please do not use the service, okay? But we have an ambulance on standby. So thank you to Victor Hospital. We have many other sponsors whom we will thank as the day unfolds. But to begin with, we have a lot of, I see Dr. Babita, good morning. Vida Clinics has supported us. We have Rodney's Roses and Garden Center. We have a lot of other sponsors in the form of lovely edible desserts and cookies and cake when you come back. We have got, our volunteers have made a lot of pickles for sale. So do support us. The YWCA is in its 14th year. This is our annual walk. It is also our fundraiser. So whatever you contribute goes a long way into supporting our projects. We have projects that support the community. We are currently involved in managing a lymphedema clinic at the old Hospicia Hospital for breast cancer survivors. We are also supporting a teaching program of supplementary teaching in Valpoi. And like that, we have many other projects which are on hand and those which are on the annual. So do support us and have a wonderful day. There's no better way to start Sunday morning than on Benauli Beach. I hope I can hear yay to that. Yes, thank you. Benauli is where you should be, and as a Ms. Badalkar, I can tell you this is one of the most beautiful beaches, and in October every year we light it up. So thank you all for being here bright and early, and we are good to go. Please register your names as you come in. Thank you.
She was after me to tell you to bring Bailey. She'll walk with Bailey.
Please do. She's going to come.
Hi, Bailey, darling.
This is Bailey, Dr. Deepa's beautiful Labrador who has come to join the YWCA Benaulim Beach Walk.
you are familiar with this sound? Well, if you aren't, then shame on you. But this is a familiar sound to all of us Goenkars, and this walk is about celebrating Goa and our love for Goa. So it is the Amchi Goa walk, and as you can see, usually we have a walk theme every year, and this year we want to show our love for Goa, and we have none other than Pele as our chief guest. So please give him a very big hand. He's here bright and early. He's also a name that is synonymous with Benauli Beach. He is as much a celebrity as the many celebrities he has met in his lifetime, including, I think, Amitabh Bachchan and the President of India, and he's got many celebrities whom he has met with his very famous water sporting activities. So he has kindly consented to cut the ribbon and set us off this morning. So we are going to start in 5 minutes. We give them 5 minutes to get here and register their names. We thank, I see Nave Mark Foundation for their support. I see many of them here this morning. Sportive Amigos, shout out to all of you. Thank you for being here. And all of the others who have supported us. I see Vikram and Pimpla from Sportive Amigos. Thank you, Soulmates. Thank you. Shashti Riders, who are also supporting us here today, this morning. Thank you for being here bright and early. I see Valentina's Little Angels down the road, a big group of them joining us. Thank you. I see Sister Valentina here too. I'm going to give a prize for the first person to register. Let's start off by giving our prizes out. And she's none other than a little girl called Payomi Sawant. It says 550 registration. So I have to give her a prize. So she's our first registry. Please give her a big hand, and our president. Yeah, Vilma can give us that to her. No, that's women. We have Althea, we have Anjali, and we have Sybil. All here in traditional Goan dress. So if you would love to take your picture with our beautiful props, you're most welcome. Those of you who are very confident of your good looks, you can take your own picture in our photo booth over here. We have got all lovely Goan. Yeah. A lot of the men are crowding the stage now, girls. Be ready. Our ladies are looking lovely, and you all can have a chance to have an epic photograph. We have a lot of enthusiastic fitness and yoga. Say cheese! They say pow. You say katre pow, it's a better smile. And if you say choris pow, it's the best smile. Okay, a quick pick for Naremar Foundation. We are almost ready to start. We have a very special guest who has consented to cut the ribbon and set us off. I know that he needs absolutely no introduction. Anyone who is anybody in Goa knows Pele, and he has kindly consented. Where are you? Francisco Pele. I think everyone only knows him as Pele. Please give him a very big hand. He has kindly consented to say a few words and cut the ribbon for us. Over to you, Pele. Say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Every day is a good day, especially in Goa. आज म्हाका सारखे वर दिसले बायल मनशान जावन आमचे ट्रेडिशनल आख्या गोंयकारांक दाखयले तेंका बरे मोठ्यान क्लॅप मारचे. आज आमी सगळी वॉक मारपाक बरे मोचे ट्रॅक्स बी घालून आयल्यात. आमची माय सिनियर सिटीजन जावन हात दुखून आसात. आमच्यो तळ्यो नुस्तेकारांच्यो बायलो मरोन सर्गीचे राज घेवन आसात. ही व्हडली पांठी घेवन ती 10-15 किलोमीटर नुस्त्याक घेवन मारगांव चलोन नुस्त्याक विकताली. आनी आज हे न्यू मॉडर्न जाला वॉकिंग. हे कंटिन्यू दवरचे. आतांच म्हजो एक फ्रेंड मेळ्ळो म्हाका.
Here is the starting point for the YWCA Benaulim Beach Walk.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cholo, cholo.
And the walk begins.
Some of them are missing. So
Deepa, music, Felin. Music.
Oh wow, here's Dr. Blanche, one of my best friends. This is the water station that Taj Exotica Hotel has provided near the halfway mark. Taj Exotica has been supporting YWCA on all its Benaulim beach walks. Some of us are still drinking juice and others have reached all the way to Varka.
As Dr. Deepa said, we Benaulikars are so lucky to live near this beautiful, gorgeous beach. It's also a fishing beach. This is where Pele and his fellow fishermen catch lots of fish. Here, right next to the Taj Exotica in Benaulim, is my friend Pele's water sports setup. You can't find a safer water sports operator in Goa than Pele. He has by himself rescued more people from the sea and drowning. Not his customers, mind you, but general tourists and people in the sea. He has rescued more people than the official lifeguards. So, in Benaulim, there's just one name, Pele. I'm shamelessly plugging him because I am his great fan. And he always supports the Benaulim community the way that he's supporting the YWCA in its Benaulim beach walk today.
While we are out on our walk, we see the fishermen's daily activities on Benaulim beach.
Yes, he's smelling my dogs and not leaving me. Hey, darling. Darling, I don't have anything for you, sorry. Go eat some fish. Fishermen are there, they'll give you a lot of fishmen. Go and ask. See how they're holding up the ropes for the fishing.
People have started reaching back after completing 5 kilometers.
Hi. Morning.
we did it.
Excellent. Well done.
Hey,
Well done.
green and clean.
Hi. So satisfying.
to take a walk along the seashore in the early morning. The sun is not sharp. The air is rich with oxygen. Just the way you put money in your bank account to save for the future, every time you take a walk early morning, you are investing in your own longevity. This is the message of YWCA Goa.
What's your name?
Leslie.
Glenda.
Glenda.
We've got brownies and get them by their own.
Okay.
They're running out of the eats. We've also got juice and double veg. So do support us by buying.
Well
We've
done,
got
Sunita.
dusters too.
Hi, Shobna.
Very good cotton dusters.
We are organizers.
We've got water also thanks to Mr. Sudeep Naik. Invite everyone back again. We've got some games, we've got music.
Yay, well done. Husband and come. I like that. That's fun.
Do patronize some of our stalls. We've got things for sale. We've got a photo booth. We've got lovely linen available from the YWC of Calcutta for sale. We've got sweet treats. Marble cake from Sweet Pink. Thank you to Cynthia. We've got kokum juice. We've got sandwiches, chutney sandwiches, salami sandwiches. Thank you to Malcolm.
After walk, it's sandwich time. Yummy chutney sandwich made by YWCA. How heavy is this bibinka, guys?
Thank you, Leslie.
Thank you, Dr. Celso. He's been up here this morning with his troop from Nave Marg. They support a lot of yoga activities across 22 panchayats, right? Yes, almost. Now it's less. But anyway, there are a lot of senior citizens and a lot of Goenkas who are benefiting from this service. Babita from Dr. Babita. She has supported us through Vida Clinic. Thank you, Vida Clinics, for supporting us. Thank you, Cornello. So nice of him to be here early in the morning with some really good Goan hits. We have been having stomping our feet here since you all went for the walk. Thank you, Cornello. We thank Taj Exotica for their water station and Sirish Naik for giving us water this morning. Most importantly, we thank Eileen from Gaspos. Everyone, you see this wonderful new restaurant here. It's called Gaspos. It's a vegetarian restaurant and for exclusive dining. This beautiful decor is also part of Eileen's brilliance, and I would recommend all of you to do visit Gaspos. She's given us the electrical sound connection. So we are presenting, Eileen is one of our members, but please give her a very big hand. Thank you, Eileen. She's been here since the last several days planning our decor for us and has been more than generous. Thank you, Eileen. Anyone who's any kind of Goan fancy dress, you can come in anyone who'd like to take part. We've got some lovely prizes. So come, Melanie, I see your lovely kundi sari. There's a little one, no? Anyone else who'd like to come forward? Blanche, I can see a Goa t-shirt. She's a Goan athlete. Come on, Blanche. Join us. Come. Everybody, please give Gwen a hand. See Gwen in her outfit. You can pick her up, Alfie. No one can see her. You can't see Gwen. She's so little. and keeping up with the theme. So we have a special prize for you. Thank you for coming, dressed up specially in the theme. Come under the seat. And thanks to Vilma, do the honors. It is a meal voucher from Caravella Cafe and Bistro. Thank you, Caravella, for that. Thank you. Thank you. I'm also giving a spot prize to any senior citizen couple here. Any senior citizen couple. So I hope you know senior citizens are above the age of 60, right? So any couple who can come up here, and you all both, the gentleman as well as the lady, will have to tell me their phone number. The gentleman has to tell me his wife's phone number, and the wife has to tell me her husband's phone number by heart. Okay?
181-125.
Is that right? Should we check it out? Should we ring it? Are you all, yes, check it out. Simon, all your supporters here saying I have to check you out. And what about you, Nita?
9421257750.
Is that right? Well, she said it very confidently, but people even say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quite confidently, right? What about you all?
98182170.
She phones her husband very often. Give her a big hand. She definitely phones her husband very often. What about you, sir?
9422453517.
That was said even more confidently. He's been trained very well. You can make out, right? And Mabel and Raven, you get yourself a voucher for brunch at Alila Diva. And y'all too, Simon and Nita, please come. See, these are the senior citizens you should inspire to be, okay? You know your wife's phone number just like that, and you know your husband's phone number just like that. And they are 10-digit numbers. So we have a voucher, one for you, sir, and Simon. Yeah, come this side, sir. Simon and Nita, thank you very much. Water to drink, and you will have got yourself. Please, yes, please do patronize our stalls here. We've got lovely pickles, homemade pickles, Tengli pickle, brinjal pickle. We've got Vindaloo masala and Reshad masala, all homemade by the YWCA volunteers. So do pick up. Oh, we have a Nuste Khan. Bright and early. Let's come here, Nuste Khan. Let's see what you've got for us. So I'm going to give a prize. Come on, all the workers. Give them a very big hand. Thank you for coming. So many of you. Wonderful. Woo! That's a lot of people. That's a lot of people. Oh, you can give it down in front. Rahul was the one who got them all together. Thank you, Dr. Rahul. He organized everybody to be here.
18 people from the Borkar family participated together today.
Yes, okay, so give them a big hand for thank you for being here. They are the largest family here related. Alright. We also have a Nuste Khan who has arrived late. Where are you, Nuste Khan? Come here, let me see. Oh my gosh, and she's got some very fancy fish. You can lift her up. Of course I can. Oh my gosh. Please give her a big hand, and I think I'm also going to give a prize to anyone who can tell me what this fish is. The fish. Thank you for coming, Carol. And Carol has brought Anna. Where is Anna with the prize? The prize for Anna here. Please give her a very big hand. And I'm giving a spot prize to anyone who tells me which is the fish of Goa. Come on, the first person to tell me. Shoto, yes, you're right. Anyone else said Shoto? But I can't give Roselle the prize. Come. I'm giving you a prize. You want to give me this? Rihanna. She knew it was the Shoto. The Shoto is the fish of Goa. She was the one who knew it. Everybody else was just... So it is the mullet, which is the fish of Goa. Okay, now everybody, we are going to have the moment we've been all waiting for. We have in our midst, we have with us a star performer. She wears many hats. She is a performer, she is a dancer, she is a social activist and a politician. Well, she dabbled in politics, yes. and she's here to entertain us, and she wants everyone to take part too. We are not here to watch, we are here to have a good time. So please put your hands together for the one and only Cecil Rodriguez. She needs no introduction, and she's here from the Angkor Academy of Performing Arts. We have Cecil to say a few words, and then get ready with your dancing shoes on.
Good morning, everyone. I think so. More energy. Good morning, everyone. I think so. Give a round of applause to YWCA for organizing such an event, and it's their 11th year. Please, a round of applause for all of them and all the sponsors of this event. I would like to thank Wilma for inviting us, the Encore Academy of Performing Arts, because we believe that dance transforms lives. We believe that dance is the change. Dance can help people come out from all troubles and helps build children's confidence, focus, and brings the whole community together. So without wasting any time, are you all ready to dance? Yes! Volume. Everyone, right side, left, right. Hands on your head. Very good. Mulay, mulay. Viva! Viva Goa! And get ready to sing and dance, alright? Stop, sing. I got you. Everyone.